Hey tech fans, let's clear up the drama around the Garmin Cirqa leak. Is Garmin's mysterious new smart band a scam, or is it the real deal? I've done some fast checking, so let's get into it. First, yes, the Garmin Cirqa is a real product. This isn't some wild internet rumor. Multiple regional Garmin websites, including the US, Canada, and Brazil, accidentally posted Cirqa product and support pages in early 2026. They got yanked down fast, but not before tech outlets like Android Authority and Tech Radar grabbed all the details. So, what exactly is the Cirqa? Think of it as Garmin's answer to the Whoop band, a minimalist, screen-free wearable focused on 24/7 health and recovery tracking. It's not a traditional smartwatch. No screen, just sensors and smarts. It comes in two sizes, small, medium, and large, XL, and two colors, black and French gray. The part number from the leak, 0110 0467500, matches Garmin's usual retail codes. So yeah, it's looking legit. Now, here's where the scam risk comes in. Because the Cirqa hasn't been officially launched, but the hype is real, scammers have jumped in. If you see any pre-order sites or social ads promising early access to the Cirqa, especially at a discount, run the other way. These are almost always fake and just phishing for your credit card info. As of now, Garmin hasn't opened orders or made a formal announcement. So, is the Cirqa a scam? No, the product is real, the leak was accidental, and the info comes from Garmin's own servers. But pre-order scams? That's where you need to be careful. Always double-check the official Garmin website for updates. Stay smart, stay safe, and don't get scammed by the hype. Subscribe for more fast tech facts.